Hey guys, this will be next video for making better time lapses of 3D printing for you, but I decided to solve it with this camera. This is Insta360 GO3S, and I want to use it for making time lapses, but I want the nice one where you can see the movement of the print head. So this is why this package is here. Let's see what's inside. It's pretty easy solution, but I don't want to buy a big camera because of the time lapses, so much plastic. And this is it. This is the remote, mini remote for the 360 cameras. So I can use it for my virtual tours as well. And if I'm not doing virtual tours, I can use it for remotely press this shoot button. So I'm going to make some mount what is placed on 3D printer. I'm going to show you whole process how to set it up. So let's see what we got here. Nice. This is the remote button. Just a small button with the charge port. I'm going to charge it up first, and I will be back with the update. This mini remote is already charged, so let's connect it to this camera. Okay, connect, remote connected. Nice. Okay, so now I'm going to switch it to the photo, and it should work like if I press the button, the camera should take a photo. Yes. So every time I just put this camera somewhere for the time lapse, and every time when 3D printer parks to exact position, it will press this button and it will take a picture. So now I have to build some holder for this remote on the end of the axis of a Prusa Mini 3D printer. I 3D printed this part, and you can see it maybe. There is some holding pins, and you can just slide it into this part. It won't fall off, but I can easily take it out if I want to use it somewhere else. It's pretty sleek. It doesn't block any movement on the 3D printer, and the print head, after it finishes every layer, you just go there and press the button here and it take a picture. And this is basically how you produce the nice time lapses. This is the part 1, and I need to print the pin what I'm going to put inside printhead ventilator hole. So we will see how it works. Now I have to make a pin which will be pressing the shutter button. the part just for screwing into the hot end fan, and after I screw this into the fan, I have this cap, and I just can close it up like this, and this is the thing what will press the button on the remote. Okay, now as you can see, here's the pin, here's the remote, and the G-code just push it here and back. As you can see, it pushed the button. So let's try it with the updated G-code. Here I exported all the images from the camera and made a time-lapse from them in Final Cut. Last part of the project was modification of the G-code. So in Prusa Slicer you go to Printer tab, next click your G-code, and in the beginning G-code window we need to modify initial parking and intro line as well. Basically I add 10 millimeters to all X positions here, and after that I scroll down to G-code after layer change and put there this G-code. I noticed some stringing in the time-lapse print, and this is probably because I didn't have turned on retraction and the retraction, so I will probably put this into the after every layer code, so this should solve this problem. But for the time lapses I think that is okay, because from this side it looks really nice. So I'm going to make it better for the next time. And for now, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Hit the like, subscribe and comment, and see you next time. Bye.